What's really going on? Bitcoin cryptocurrency currently looking at Litecoin price action making its way sideways here. We have aggressive buy pressure and sell pressure interacting with each other as we interact with support and resistance, these key levels coming into play as we make our way toward resistance. My target for Litecoin in the immediate short term is still going to be $226. That is going to be just a key level we need to break and perhaps confirm as support. Once support is found at that key level, $226, I have some upper targets of resistance as well as Litecoin makes its way through the multi-$100 range, perhaps interacting with $1,000 per Litecoin in its kind of coming lifetime here. I do believe we are in very much of an uptrend, and I am bullish on continued upside. However, I'm always watching out for these kind of key levels here. We do have some key levels of resistances waiting for us. Watching out for, as I mentioned, $226. Just above that is going to be $270, and then that will be the next resistance I would like confirmed as support before I have some upper levels of resistance beyond that. So we're making our way upward here. I am bullish on continued upside. We do have one of our chosen three robo advisors bearish on price action. That sell to is in play, suggesting perhaps immediate short-term continued sideways or interactions with support may be necessary before the uptrend can continue. Two of our chosen three robo advisors are still bullish on price action, so we can still anticipate continued upside. We have this very bullish interaction with my support level, $176 per Litecoin. In every analysis, I've been suggesting this as the most bullish area of accumulation. And on the 27th of October there, when that sell to printed, we do have that interaction downward toward support where buy pressure was immediately found. And here we are back at, those previous levels that we dropped from. And so, as I mentioned, we're still making our way to 226. Should have bought that dip near my support. 176 is going to be that bullish area of accumulation still available for us before the uptrend can continue. That is not impossible to see another interaction with, however, growing increasingly unlikely. Say we fail to hold that level, we have lower targets of support as well. We have, all these, key levels waiting for us here. I'm always waiting for these technical confirmations. We're bullish on upside based on EngineeringRobo. We have interactions with support, watching out for resistance, keeping in mind $218 is the 0.5 Fibba Bugatti line, and watch out for potential sell pressure as we make our way toward my resistance target, 226. We're watching out for a potential second robo advisor becoming bearish. That would, perhaps, suggest a more bullish opportunity to accumulate Litecoin would present itself here for us. At the moment, still bullish upside. If we look at our previous buy signals coming into play back at the end of July, buy 2 on the 23rd, buy 4th on the 26th, as we found our way above support. After accumulation, saw up to 78% in gains, nearly almost doubling your money with EngineeringRobo's buy suggestions. But if you weren't able to take profit above at or around that swing high, you were able to still capitalize on 36% in gains if you utilized EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions as well. And so EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the exact top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. And so it is key to pick the three robo advisors that best suit your trading strategy. Once two of your chosen three robo advisors confirm bullish or bearish price action, you can use that as a comfortable confirmation of accumulation or take profit. And so at the moment, if we consider back when these sell signals did come into play, we actually did experience in the immediate short term up to 21% in downside after two of our chosen three robo advisors became bearish. However, we see all three of our chosen robo advisors returning to bullish between the 3rd of October and the 8th of October. So we are bullish on continued upside, but as I mentioned, that sell to did return on the 27th. So lots going on for Litecoin. Key interactions here. We have tight sideways. Watch out for interactions with support. I do believe we're still making our way toward my resistance. Let me know in the comments down below what you're doing with Litecoin at current levels now. ERN against USDT price action. Currently we have a rather small amount of data here on the Binance chart, so we do have some key levels here to consider for moving forward. However, significant support and resistance is still to be determined. These are just the key levels that I do believe we will be interacting with on our way upward here. I personally am bullish on continued upside. I do believe we are near an area of support. Buy pressure has come into play near this sort of region here. We have potential support here for us, $9 $12.80 looks to appear to be support for price action moving forward. All three of our chosen robo advisors are currently bullish on continued upside. We have the buy for and moon coming into play on the 14th of October. We have the golden cross, coming into play, going bearish, and then coming back to bullish again on the 1st of November. That is yesterday's daily candle. So technically, all three of our chosen robo advisors are bullish on price action. We also have $12.03, in my opinion, as a potential bullish area of accumulation. That is going to be support moving forward. We are making our way toward my target here. I do believe this coin will make its way back up to this key level near $22.22. That is going to be my immediate short-term target for price action as we make our way upward here. Watching out for a potential interaction with $14.84. We experienced a strong rejection off of that key level, so I'm watching out for sell pressure. I'm also watching out for potential sell pressure at $17.40 along the way up here. That is just a potential area that we've experienced a rejection off of. However, like I mentioned, my target is still going to be $22.22 over the coming weeks to months. Let me know in the comments down below where you think price action will go. I'm always looking for these technical confirmations. I'm waiting for price action to further solidify these key levels, giving them more significance. And so at the moment, we just have to see how we will be interacting with them as we make our way upward. I'm bullish on continued upside. If we quickly look at when these bearish signals came into play, two of our chosen three robo advisors confirmed bearish downside on the 7th of September. Price action over the following kind of couple weeks there experienced up to 46% in downside after EngineeringRobo became bearish on price action. So EngineeringRobo sell signals easily saving you from up to 40% in downside as we await a more bullish area of accumulation, which I do believe has presented itself with all three of our robo advisors coming back into play and interaction with support. So I do believe that we have reasons to be bullish on continued upside moving forward. Now, Digibyte, DGB against USDT coin price action interacting with these key levels here. We have a bullish area of support down all the way at 4 cents. 0.045 is the key level of support. I do believe that was a bullish area of accumulation for us. Buy pressure found sent price action to and through this level of resistance to watch out for. 5 cents, 0.059, in my opinion, is going to be resistance that we need to perhaps confirm as support. Currently, we are still experiencing that sell pressure off of that key level. And so once we've broken this 5-cent level, 0.059, confirmed it as support, we are making our way to my next resistance target here. 7 cents, 0.078 is going to be my next sort of immediate short-term target as we make our way upward. I'm always watching out for support and resistance on the way up here. I am bullish on an uptrend forming. We do have all three of our chosen robo advisors getting bullish on price action, all on the 31st of October with that daily candle. So, EngineeringRobo very bullish on price action. We just have to find this next key area of support. At the moment, I do believe we are too close to resistance to be accumulating at current levels. A comfortably bullish area of accumulation would be present for us all the way down at 4.5 cents, and I would be more comfortable on bullish accumulation once we've solidified 5 cents as support. Right now, I do believe we are too close to resistance, so accumulating at current levels may be subject to the highest chance of short-term downside as we experience, a pullback toward support. I am bullish on the uptrend overall. Let me know in the comments down below what you're doing with Digibyte at current levels. We're taking a look at Ethereum price action. Interaction with these key levels as we've been, updating price action through this phase of sideways. We have very bullish support at $4,193. That was a bullish area of accumulation. Hope you were buying at my support line. Watching out for this resistance here. Resistance is still going to be $4,373. That was resistance overhead. As you can see, currently price action plowing to and through resistance, setting all-time highs if I'm not mistaken. I do believe Ethereum has recently just set some brand new all-time highs with today's daily candle. Anticipate a potential pullback and return to previous resistance, confirming it as support. I'm watching out for a potential interaction with $4,380 per Ethereum as another bullish entry of accumulation as, the uptrend very much wants to continue. We are making our way toward my $6,000 Ethereum target. It's very hard to be bearish currently on price action ever since, Ethereum has been making its way above my most significant area of support, $3,000. $925. I was suggesting that as a bullish area of accumulation. We had my upper kind of key levels here that we consolidated within over the most recent kind of few days. Now currently breaking our way upward here, anticipating this return downward. However, that may not present itself as price action is just very bullish. I'm always looking for these technical key confirmations. Let me know in the comments down below where you think Ethereum will go. EngineeringRobo bullish since the beginning of October. Price action just now, needs to potentially confirm its last level of support before we are free to see some very euphoric upside. Now, finally, Bitcoin, crypto, the currency currently still in this state of sideways. We have consolidation and accumulation. The buy pressure is very much present. We have, technical sell pressure present for us overhead, traders selling at previous all-time highs. We have recently set a new all-time high on the 20th of October there. Price action is just very bullish in my personal opinion. We do have one of our chosen three Robo advisors bearish. This sell to has printed on the 27th of October. We need two Robo advisors to confirm, bearish price action to potentially expect a more bullish area of accumulation for Bitcoin. At the moment, we are bullish on continued upside. It's very hard to be bearish at current levels. Do believe support is still going to be down there for us. $58,800 per Bitcoin is still support that we may see an interaction with before the uptrend can continue. However, that is becoming increasingly unlikely, as you can see with these kind of last sort of several days here since the 30th of October. The buy pressure is very much in play, and these dips are getting bought up very quickly. Price action slipping below 60K does not last long. Bullish buy pressure present and momentum building does suggest a very bullish break upward of this final level of resistance here. $64,800 per Bitcoin is going to be the key level we need to conquer and perhaps confirm as support. We may not. We may just, vertically ascend to and through this multi-thousand-dollar range into the six-figure range, potentially interacting with $130,000 per Bitcoin. That is still going to be my target for price action moving forward. It's very hard to be bearish at current levels. I'm always looking out for support and resistance. Buy the dips while you can. In my personal opinion, there's never a bad time to buy Bitcoin, only better times, and you may be looking at some of the last times to be buying Bitcoin at these levels. Let me know in the comments down below if you're bullish or bearish on Bitcoin currently. Are you buying? Are you selling? Let me know in the comment section a coin you'd like to see in the next analysis. Thank you for tuning in. Check out EngineeringRobo free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.